Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect steering wheel controls to your car radio. First, confirm your new radio is steering wheel control ready. This is crucial. Next, you'll need to purchase a compatible steering wheel control interface module, which acts as a translator between your car and the radio. Finally, gather essential tools like wire strippers, crimpers, and electrical tape to ensure a clean and safe installation. This preparation saves time and prevents frustration. Now let's tackle the wiring. Connect the interface module's power and ground wires directly to your radio's harness, ensuring a stable electrical supply. Then, carefully splice the data wire from your vehicle's existing steering wheel control circuit into the interface module. It's vital to make all connections secure and properly insulate them with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to prevent any short circuits or signal interference. Take your time with each connection. With the wiring complete, it's time for programming and testing. Follow the specific instructions provided with your interface module. This often involves a sequence of button presses on your steering wheel. Once programmed, test each individual steering wheel button to confirm it correctly controls the corresponding radio function, such as volume up or track skip. If any buttons aren't working, recheck your wiring connections and repeat the programming steps carefully. Patience is key here. For the final steps, securely mount your new radio back into the dashboard opening. Neatly tuck away all the wiring, ensuring it won't interfere with any moving parts or get pinched. Before fully reassembling your dash, double-check every connection one last time for peace of mind. If you encounter significant difficulties, or if your vehicle has particularly complex wiring, consider seeking assistance from a professional installer. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.